Armed forces in India are focused on empowerment of women. In an exclusive interview to DD India, the First Lady Director General of the Armed Forces Medical Services speaks about the increased use of the AI in all three armed forces of India.
The Armed Forces Medical Service has a new DG, and she is the first lady DG. And I have with me Vice Admiral Arti. Sarin. Let's talk to her and find out about her new responsibilities, focus, and what's there in her mind.
I'm really happy and proud to take on this new responsibility. After 77 years, a lady has taken over this position of the Director General Armed Forces Medical Services. Any job is challenging, and I'm looking forward to the challenges that go with it in terms of handling the health of the entire armed forces personnel, their families, dependents and veterans.
We have spoken about digitization, IT upgrades. There's a lot of talk about artificial intelligence. So how will that help in the upgradation of medical services, especially with the three services?
Within our equipments, we look forward to AI-enabled software with machine learning to help us in first and foremost diagnostics, in imaging as well as pathology, which will give us a lot of clinical decision support systems. Precision oncology can be practiced. We can look at even combat medicine, whereby we can use that for triage purposes. We can look at injury prevention with AI.
Since you've been elevated to this position, there's a lot of talk about women empowerment. What do you have to say on that?
The government all across all sectors is looking into women empowerment in a very steady and systematic and organized manner. Towards the defense forces, I can say that the armed forces medical services were the first to have women officers from the 50s, after which came the other branches which started in the year 1992. They were initially taken in for a short service commission. They were granted permanent commissions in 2020. By 2016, we have women who have now taken combat roles as fighter pilots in the Indian Air Force. We have progressed very well. In 2021, the National Defence Academy has taken on cadets, women cadets, which is also a sign of showing progress towards women empowerment.
Well, absolutely, the trajectory is only on the rise, and with the Vice Admiral taking charge of the medical services, we hope that it would be always on the rise. With cameraman Gaurav Giri in Delhi, this is Vishal Baristu for DD India.